Coming up on Sailing with the Lutzenbergers. This is your warning. This video contains content that might not be appropriate for all audiences.
Yeah. Get him in the cockpit. Yeah, tie off and get on you real quick. I don't have any life jackets ahead of the top coming through. Everybody out.
Where are we at, gang?
I have no idea.
An island.
Yes.
An island.
Brad,
go to the sandy bit over here. So.
Brad said he's gonna take us hiking on some trails. The trails are over there by the dinghy dock. Well, you can't even see it now. We went over here because we're painter shy.
Yeah.
And now we're going to battle through the bush to go find the trail. We're loving it.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Alright, everybody out. Everybody out.
Look at that sailor battling the bush. Pocket knife in pocket. White cargo's on.
Hardcore guys out there's like a month.
Where? Where?
Yeah? Where's the snake?
Where is it?
Yeah, I'm getting eaten right now.
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going? We're gonna abort? Go, yeah, go.
There it is.
Where?
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna go back.
Okay. Peace out.
Adventure level 1.
Yeah, that could be my nickname.
I'm not getting bit at all.
You're not?
No.
What the hell?
I'm getting eaten alive.
Okay, thank you, Gabe. I'm not the only one.
Go to the dock like I'm winded.
How was your hike, Pete?
Awful!
What's your chief
I
complaint?
hate hiking!
Baby beluga, baby beluga. Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a genie juice, cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll, bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll, bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
But today we're moving 15 miles north, just to a different anchorage to hang out. Falkor has to leave this afternoon, so we are all gonna part ways, and then Spencer and I are gonna start looking for a weather window to head north.
Gabe, get your covers off and get ready.
All right, well, we'll get ready and we'll just wait to see Gabby get the anchor up, and then we'll let you guys follow.
All right, get it done, Gabby, get it done.
Tarka standing by 6-8.
Bye.
Gabe's first anchor haul. All by hand. There's Mom and Dad Falkor over there, keeping a sharp eye on him.
So Tarka is there, and little chicken. Falkor is ready to go.
Woohoo! How'd that go?
Oh my god. You gotta get a bit windless.
Yeah. Little chicken, get those sails up.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
So we just went into this channel. There's Gabe behind us, and we jibed. And as we jibed, we got a new fancy feature on the boat. Don't be jealous. The main window allows you to look through your main. It looks like the reef is right above where the split is. So if we repan the main, we should be able to still sail with that up and then get the head sail up. Oh lordy. She looks so sad. Got burgers off the port side. We're gonna anchor up and have some lunch with Gabby and the Litzenbergers.
These squall lines in Florida are serious business. Holy cow. It's been hitting us like every single night. Look at this line.
Let's strap down this roller further too, so we don't get that blown out.
Good thinking. Gotta get my water catcher out too.
Thank God.
We're sitting here thinking what a good call this was, B.
Good. Should stay on your boat, I mean? Is that what it was?
Yeah, just having eyes on it and giving. Gosh darn it, B, you gave a stay home order. Haven't we had enough of those?
That's right. Yeah, I've seen 26. That's the most I've seen. Looks like everybody's holding. Of course, I put up the water catcher, so it's not gonna rain.
to the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again.
Hello.
That's exciting.
What's up?
What's up, man? You see this motherfucker almost hit us?
Yeah, I was watching
I
that.
saw him
He was
coming
like
hard.
coming out. I was like, what's going on? All of a sudden, like, and they turned the other way.
Here, you look
I
nice
saw
here.
him coming up
Thank you.
behind it.
That was a good little skull, though.
I saw you
What'd
coming
you
in
guys
and like,
see?
Brad, get a
47?
beer.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a good blow.
Yeah.
47.
Fill our tanks, though. All our tanks are full of water now.
I bet.
That's pretty sweet.
Our whole boat's full of water.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Thanks for watching, Fries. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so you get notifications every time we upload a video.